loving it. Oh, come on, I've got only 50 seconds left. Come on!
The Wrong brothers are on their craft. This is the biggest one so far, I think.
Oh, come on, 30 seconds.
Boys, are you ready?
Yes, come on!
May the force be with you.
Oh, yes. Woohoo! No! Yes! Oh! Woohoo! Yes! Come on, Millennium Falcon!
And I'm reminded at this point of that famous Alec Guinness quote, "The Sands people are easily startled, but we'll be back and in greater numbers." Right, let's have a look at that.